Patungkol sa inaasahan na kanyang ina at kapatid, may nagmahal kay Ramon at ito na ay sinig niya.
Ayan, ito kami ni Tita Melody.
Hello! Hi! Yung kasama ko si Marimar. Ang ganda natin dyan, ha?
Di ba? Fresh. Di ba? Fresh na fresh ta?
Yes.
Ready here, babe. She rent this room. It's nice, right? Thank you. It's their bathroom. And then there's a beach there. Look at this place here in Lian, Nasugbu, San Diego. Ay, this is not Nasugbu. This is San Diego, Lian, Batangas. Very nice. Ang ganda. Dito yung mga buhaya. Baka dyan sasakay ng mga bangka. No, dyan sasakay ng bangka. Perfect. Parang dirty. Long press.
Pag na long press na. Okay na.
Maandar pa.
Hindi, ano ka ba? May ganun.
Hello, my name is Melody Enriquez from Camarines.
Yes!
Thank you so much! Yan. Ganyan, oh. Okay, nako. I think may napupusuan na ang ating mga... Ang tunay na Jody Santa Maria. Ganda, oh.
Ganda ni Jody, no? Si Jody parang baliw din pala. Masaya mag-isa.
Last one lang yan!
Koreana.
Faye Hernandez from Fairview, Quezon City. Sa panahong crisis ngayon, ganda lang, sapat na. Happy birthday, Nay!
Thank you so much.
Baka naman natin, Jody Santa Maria.
Very much sweet lang,
Oh.
Ganon. Ay, Barbie nga.
Barbie.
Barbie. In fairness naman
Oo, taga-pasabog.
Yun! Stop! Ayan.
Stop.
Good evening to each and every one of us. Hi, Rob. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, best friend Rhoda. Okay. So, this is Kalema Fiesta na nag-iiwan ng wise tip para sa mga kalalakihan dyan. Na imbes mang babae, mabakla na lang. Sing sarap, pero di sing mahal. I love it. Happy birthday, Rhoda.
At syempre, hindi tayo papaya.
Oo.
Once again, translated in English.
Oh my God.
Ay, iba.
Sira ulo to, papagkain pa to. Maninira ka pa.
Shit, oh.
Ang tara.
Ay, ganda.
Ganda.
Parang wala pang panty ah.
Representing the birthday of Katie Rhoda tonight, allow me to wear my butterfly Hawaiian goddess costume. I believe that each and every one of us, whether you're a man, a woman, or a part of LGBTQIA, once in your life, you can consider yourself as a butterfly. Why? Because we were able to transcend out of a cocoon and we can be able to experience life. My name is Kimberly Hernandez from Fairview, Quezon City. Thank you and good evening.
Candidate number 13. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga kandidata.
Guys, give them a round of applause. Okay, so para makita tayo lahat, come on. Everyone, happy birthday. Come on, Rob. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
Saan tayo? Ah, sige.
Oo.
We're here in our cottage. Charing. Ang ganda ng balor natin.
Meron na, buksan yun na. Ito buksan mo.
Baby!
Ay, ito may extra bed. Dito ka na tita.
Sige, punta lang dito. Isa.
KP!
Ang ganda, che.
KP!
Oh. Ay, sarap.
KP! KP! Dito pa, Weng.
Oh, it's Rob. Thank you, Rob. You're in the heart chair.
Ang ganda, diba?
Perfect.
Tita, meron ka na to. Tita! Tita, meron ka na dito.
Kaya ano pala yun? Kaya ano kay Mayora? Ano na? Kaya ano pala yun? Napalakad ko kayong dalawang pasensya mo.
Asin yung ano
Napalakad ko kayo.
Okay.
Meron ba?
Nag-asigang.
extra bed eh. Dalawa ba to?
Lumanig na to. Ayan, itong yan, tita. Aming room nila, Nyora. Ito yung mga gamit namin. Pang-keme. Diba? Buksan natin to para pumasok ang swerte. Ay, bakit? Ay, ganyan lang siya. Ang ganda dito, everyone. Welcome to San Diego, Lian, Batangas. Ayan. Ganda po. Perfect. Happy birthday to my friend, best friend Rhoda, KP Rhoda. Ayan, mamaya po, may Hawaiian party kami. Pupunta na tayo sa beach. Ay, yung ano, volleyball camps. Maring bola natin, ni-ready mo na ba? Good afternoon po. Ayan, may net.
Matik.
Ayan ang isang linggo nila sa practice.
See you there bago ka man lang pumunta dito. So yun lang, I always pray for your safety. God bless you, like, you know, like always, and stay as humble, as kind, and as
Day to you lahat. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Before you blow the candle, make Miss Katie Rhoda, you may wish now and blow your cake. Palakpakan naman, guys! Come on! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! Ayan,